In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add accent marks in Canva. Whether you are writing names, languages, or styling a headline, you'll see a few simple ways to insert accented characters, so they look clean and consistent with your design. Let's start right inside Canva. Open your design, then look to the left sidebar and click the Apps tab. In the search bar there, type Text Character Pro and open the app. This tool gives you a library of special characters and accents you can use without leaving Canva. Browse the categories, or use the search to find the exact character you need, things like fey, or a variety of punctuation and symbols. When you see the right one, click it. Then choose Add to Design. The character will drop onto your canvas as its own element, and you can move and resize it like any other object. To make sure this new character matches your existing text, use Canva's Copy Style feature. Select the text that already has the look you want. Click the Copy Style tool. It's the little paint roller icon in the top toolbar, and then click the new character. That instantly applies the same font, size, color, and formatting so everything blends perfectly. If alignment is a bit off, zoom in and nudge the character with your arrow keys for precise placement. If you prefer typing directly, you can use keyboard codes on Windows. Create a text box. Click to select it and place your cursor where the accent should appear. Hold the Alt key, and on the numeric keypad type the character code. For example, Alt plus 233 gives you fey. Release Alt and the accented character appears in the text box. Two quick reminders here. Use the numeric keypad on the right side of a full keyboard, not the number row along the top. And make sure numlock is turned on. This method is great when you know the specific code and want to keep typing without breaking your flow. Here is also a handy Windows alternative if you don't remember the code. In the Windows search bar, type Character Map and open the Character Map app. Find the symbol you need, like fey, or fey, select it. Copy it, and then paste it right into your Canva text box or onto the canvas. After pasting, if the style doesn't match, just use Copy Style again to bring it in line with the rest of your design. That's it. Thanks for watching.